Here in this tutorial, I will show you how to use Apple Watch navigation. I will show you the exact way to get navigation using your Apple Watch. First of all, make sure to install the Google Maps app on your iPhone and on your Apple Watch. So here I have the Google Map app installed on my both devices. Now go ahead and open the Google Maps app on your iPhone and then just tap on this Get Direction icon. Here I'm selecting from where, I'm selecting your location and choose destination. Here I'm just adding a destination to get navigate. Here once the navigation add date, location add date, just tap on start. And once the navigation started, now let's go to our Apple Watch app library and opening the Google Maps app here. And here you see this option, current travel, just tap on that. And if you see this error, then exit the direction and restart the direction. And now on your watch, you find this current trip, just tap on that. And here you will get the exact navigation for the specific location. So here you can see, head north and then turn right and turn right. So that's how you will be able to easily navigate to a location. And here we can see the final destination. So that's how you can actually get navigated on Apple Watch.